guys, and welcome back to Unmasked Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 stuck on black screen, or just showing a black screen that's not actually launching. And let's get straight into it. So if you have opened the game from Steam, you can right click on Steam, you can go over to properties, and then you can go over to the compatibility tab. From here, just check the run this program as an administrator and hit apply and then hit OK. Once you go ahead and do that, open up Steam and then go ahead and open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 this way. The second method you guys can do is simply just do it from Xbox app as well, whatever you're opening it from. But on Steam as well, go over to library. This is the second method. Go over to Call of Duty, right click on it, hit properties, and then from here go to installed files and then hit verify integrity of game files. Once you go ahead and verify the integrity of game files, you should go ahead and open up Call of Duty and check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And then you can always, restart your PC, and then you can always upgrade or update, your graphics card as well. And yeah, once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and you should be all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.